If Microsoft Word is giving you error 1001, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix you can try right now on Windows. This error is often caused by corrupted Microsoft account authentication files, certificate issues, or an Office installation that needs repair. So before you think about reinstalling everything, follow these easy steps first. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the first step. Open File Explorer on your computer and in the address bar type %local app data %/Microsoft/. Press enter and this will take you straight to the Microsoft folder in your local app data directory. Once you are there, look for two folders called OneAuth and IdentityCache. These folders store sign-in and identity data for Microsoft apps, and if they become corrupted, Word can throw login-related errors like error 1001. Now, you have two options. You can either rename each folder or delete them. If you want to be safer, rename them first. For example, change OneAuth to oneauth.old and IdentityCache to identitycache.old. Renaming is a good choice because it keeps a backup in case you need it later. If you prefer, you can delete both folders instead. After that, close File Explorer. Next, restart your computer. This step is important because Windows needs to rebuild those authentication files fresh when it boots back up. Once your computer has restarted, open Microsoft Word again and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, that alone can fix the problem. If Word still isn't working properly, move on to the next step. Now we're going to remove a certificate that can sometimes cause sign-in conflicts. Open the Start menu and search for Manage User Certificates. Click it to open the Windows Certificate Manager. Inside the window, go to Personal, then click Certificates. Look through the list for any certificate issued by MS Organization Access. If you see one, select it and delete it. This certificate is sometimes tied to organizational or account access, and if it gets stuck or becomes outdated, it can interfere with Microsoft Word or other Office apps. Be careful to only remove the correct certificate and don't delete anything you're not sure about. After removing it, close the Certificate Manager and try Word again. If you're still seeing error 1001, the next thing to do is repair Microsoft Office. Open Control Panel, then go to Programs and Features or Apps and Features depending on your version of Windows. Find Microsoft Office in the list, click it, and choose Change or Modify. You should see repair options, and in most cases, a quick repair is the best place to start. Run the repair and let it finish. If quick repair doesn't solve the issue, go back and try online repair if it's available. Online repair takes longer, but it reinstalls the Office components more thoroughly and can fix deeper problems that a quick repair misses. After the repair is complete, restart your computer once more and launch Word again. At this point, Microsoft Word error 1001 should be resolved, or at least much closer to being fixed. To recap, we cleared corrupted Microsoft identity folders, removed the MS Organization Access certificate if needed, and repaired Office to refresh the installation. These steps fix a lot of Word sign-in and launch issues without requiring a full reinstall. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy computer troubleshooting tutorials. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to fix Microsoft Word sign-in errors, Office activation problems, or crashing issues on Windows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.